What's going on, friends? Today I'm going to be installing I've actually bought a used Voltex style carbon fiber diffuser for my Evo, and I'm in the middle of it right now. I'm basically mocking it. I don't recommend putting this on your own because you're gonna get a lot of scratches on the bottom unless you have one of those cloths that I'm using something else. But it is it's good when you work with someone on this one. I'm working on it on my own, and man, it sucks to mock things up where I want to drill holes underneath my JDM bumper, things like that. So anyway, let's put it on. It's just basically bolt-ons. There's no modification and exception of putting holes on the bottom of your bumper. There's a total of 4 holes, 1, 2, and then on the other side, and then some certain brackets that comes with the kit. Anyway, this is where I'm at right now. So I am in the middle of it. I'm almost done with it. It's very simple to do. It's just that you need someone to hold it and things like that. One challenge that I have in here is mounting the bolt without removing the bumper, is mounting the bolt right over here and the one on the front itself. And one more thing is that there's another bracket. I think I'm gonna have to remove my rear tire. So let's get it going, and we are almost done. And just to give a little bit of the oomph in the back of the Evo, and let's put it on. It's very easy to put, just bolts. So plug and play. Let's roll. What I've done is I connected the fins first, and then so I can make a mock-up. I don't recommend connecting the fins on to the board, to your diffuser and then to your body. It's really tough to screw things, so I recommend to put these fins first and then work from then on from the bottom of the diffuser. So let's finish it off, and let's mount everything. So I basically right over here created some holes already to mount it right over here. And yeah, it's fairly light. I like it because it's very light. It's not that heavy. I thought it was going to be heavy, but I don't know the brand of this. Who knows? It could be, I don't know, Voltex. Who knows? I don't know. Help me out here, guys. It's a carbon fiber, really light. I love it because on the JDM bumper, in the back of the Evo, it's kind of plain. So I wanted something to tie up my carbon fiber this small diffuser over here. So I'm gonna finish it up and bolt everything on. Actually, let's have the last one over here. There we go. All right, so let's tighten all the nuts. Don't tighten it too tight, you can actually crack everything. So it's just hand tight. So there's like 8 of them, size 8. So this diffuser is pretty stiff, as you can see. It'll shake the whole car when you shake it. That's how it should be. You don't want a flimsy diffuser. So everything is bolted on the car. So far it looks great. I love it. I actually lifted my car on the side, that way it gives me room to go underneath it and insert my arms on this side over here on the back, because it's very difficult to reach in there. But man, oh man, I love it. I'm excited to drive it again. It's just like, how right here, it just gives it a little bit of oomph, a little bit of oomph. Anyway, guys, I hope you like it. I'm gonna drop it, and I'm gonna take a nice roll shot over here. Goodness gracious, I love it, It's used, but hey, it's a good used part. Always good to recycle parts. It's cheaper as well. Doesn't cost an arm and a leg. It's still in good condition, so loving it. All right, everyone, so that's how you put your Voltec style rear diffuser on your Evo, JDM Evo rear bumper. It's very easy. 2 on each side, total of 7 right here, and then there's one underneath, you know, next to the mud guard, and on the other side as well, and then one in the middle. There's a bolt in the middle over there, and it's all on. Love it. And do a test drive, and until next time, everyone, keep wrenching. I haven't worked on my Evo in a long time, or put something on it. Please subscribe. You already know. God bless. Subscribe if you can, and thumbs up. Bye.